So I'm opening my Soft Squares Mystery Quilt for 2026. My colorway that I chose is Melody. And I'll leave those down there.
And you were at the Soft Squares Quilt Retreat.
I am.
And we held on to your box. So
Yeah,
these
I'm
were
opening
actually
it late.
released.
Some of you have already seen it. Some of you don't know what's in here. I don't know what's in here. Lynn always packages everything so nicely. You see the cute heart tape. Ooh, it's in a shiny bag with Sig Freed on the front.
Yes, and who named him?
I did. Sig Freed and Sophia.
Yeah, Sophia's on the mugs.
There's a list here. Oh, it's just saying that it's mystery and it's the check mark saying everything's there.
Okay, you should head on down to your room.
She always puts all of her clues in sealed envelopes.
She's
so
opening
you
my
can-
mystery
I'm
quilt. We're
opening
making a
mystery
video.
quilt. This is my colorway is Melody. You probably have like 12, didn't you?
I think I
Sorry,
had
she's
like
behind
10
the
this
camera.
time, yeah.
Yeah,
There
there are
was a
several
lot.
to choose from. I chose Melody this time. These are all the clues. They're sealed, so you can keep it a true mystery. You can open them all at once if you want to. You can open them once every month, once every week, once every time you finish a block.
You don't have to
There's-
wait for the mail.
It's up to you. It's block of the month, but it's really block at your choice.
Yes.
And there's a beautiful Swedish washcloth. I love these. It's got a beautiful bluebird. And some bird pins. I'm seeing a theme here.
Yeah.
Speaking of a theme, there's a beautiful bird. What is this? It's a little wind chime.
I don't know.
Something to hang in the window so it catches the light and the breeze. Is that sweet? Oh, I love it.
Little
Ring there to hang it on her
And
hook.
it's not an annoying
No,
charm.
it's a sweet little tinkle. We may annoy our neighbors. We've only got one, but it's pretty loud.
I like wind chimes, but not everybody does.
And there's cards and thank yous and all the good stuff that she always sends. Are these mints? These are, no, they're sweethearts?
Starburst.
Starburst. I don't do them. Starburst, and they're all pink. Now my colorway, here's the fat quarter. I'm sorry, it's a layer cake.
I call everything fat quarters.
I know, it all comes out of your mouth. There's all the different colors that are in it. And then we have fabrics, and she labels them all. This beautiful yellow is for the binding, 3/4 of a yard for binding.
So Marlene picked her back quarter bundle, which gave her her colorway, and then
Layer cake.
so I didn't realize I did that. That's
She did it
funny.
too.
And then I put the rest of the kit together with coordinating fabrics, but I
That's
labeled them
For the outer border, and here's the inner border. I love this. It looks like a plant I can't name right now. There's also all of this beautiful cloud, but that's my favorite, you know. I love cloud. 3 3/4 yards of background. There's a lot of background. And this gorgeous pink, and this must be the back end.
It is. It's 108 too.
Oh, it's a 108.
Yeah.
2.5 yards of this lovely paisley, pink paisley. I love it already. For your background. Oh, and it wouldn't be complete. Backing.
No.
It's a complete quilt kit except for the batting.
Except for no batting.
I have plenty of batting to use, but it wouldn't be complete if there wasn't thread. There's a whole spool, and it's a big one. It'll last. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get started.
And you got that cute beach bag.
Lovely.
Mylar beach bag. With Sig Freed.
With Sig Freed.
And just tell us the story behind Sig Freed, then how you guys name.
Well, I was trying to find an S and an F because soft squares, you know, and Sig Freed popped into my head, and people were they were.
Throwing out all kinds of names.
Yeah, the word I'm looking for is politics, but it's, they advocating. They were suggesting using Samuel, which is cute, Sammy and Sophia. Sophia, SFC, Siegfried and Sophia.
Yeah.
So that was my idea, and I kept saying, Sammy.
I kept wanting to call him Sebastian.
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't know why. So
yeah.
anyway, she came up with Siegfried.
Anyway,
it
was still undecided when that retreat ended, but when she announced what it was, I'm like, it was me.
And we went with your spelling on Sophia too.
Yeah.
S-O-F-I-A.
Yeah.
For soft.
So anyway, I'm so excited.
They are our little softies, and that's our logo. We made him into a plushie.
Yes.
And here he is in sticker form. And on your mugs, your pink mugs, is the Sophia. You got the girl version. Anyway, this is the mystery quilt for 26.
I'm so excited. I made the first one in 25 and the second one in 20. No, first one in 24, second one in 25, and here's 26, so I have a series going.
Yep, and this year our designer, the the quilt was designed by Beverly McCullough.
And I can't show you what it looks like.
You can't.
Because I have to open them one at a time.
Well, thanks for sharing that with us.
Thank you for letting me share.
Yeah, so fun.